Hello, this is for Google API verification for Varuna. Varuna is a tool for doctors to take appointments and receive payments, as well as have their own personal presence on the web. To this end, we require the Google Calendar API because we use Google Calendar to verify appointments and to store them for the doctor. Our This is the link we use for like authorizing the appointment. As you can see, it contains eminent kit 249500. We use the doctor ID localhost for testing purposes. This is generally the actual ID of the doctor. We use domains for identification. Again, the idea is to provide the doctors with a presence on the internet. Um, this works pretty well, and you just go with that, and that'll open up the OAuth screen. This is served from like using a cloud function, which does the necessary stuff, and gives us this page. From here, like we can simply authorize the account, like authorize Varuna to have access as access granted. So this stores the token in the database, and that's about all there is to it with regards to that. And the way it works is that when you go into this schedule screen, you can see that if I put in, let's say, the 21st, I think there's events on the 21st, and I hit next, it makes a call to the API to check if there are events with the name. I was wrong. There are no events on the 21st. My bad. 22nd. Yeah. So it calls the API and checks if there are events on a given day with a certain, with a certain name, the name being Varuna, in caps, Varuna, and this constitutes an appointment. Now, as you can see on the 22nd, I've set appointment times for 7 a.m. to 8 a.m. and 7 p.m. to 8 p.m. Now, the patient can book one of these appointments simply by clicking this and hitting next, and then they're taken to a payment screen. And once the payment screen completes, the API is called again to reset the name of the appointment so that it doesn't show up anymore even like another patient tries to go and like access it in the schedule. And that's the essential idea. So we use the Google Calendar API, and we didn't require this sensitive scope so that doctors can easily edit their schedules in a tool that they're comfortable with, because most people use Google Calendar, and easily see their appointments automatically show up in Google Calendar without having to interface with any other third-party calendar sort of tool. So that's what we're using it for. And that's what we need it for. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope this process is completed shortly.